Hi guys, and welcome to this demo on the Wikipedia-like web app that I have created as a part of my CS50 project. So if you go to this URL, then you will be taken to the index page, and in the index page you will see the links to the different web pages that I have created inside the web app. So if I click on CSS, you will be taken to the CSS page. If I click on HTML, then you will be taken to the HTML page. And if I just directly type the name of the web page in the browser, then it will take me to that particular web page as well. But if I type the name of a web page which is yet not created in my web app, then it will give me a message saying we could not find that particular page. The next feature of this web app is the search bar. In the search bar, you can type any keyword of the web page which is created, and it will give you all the matching web pages. So, for example, if I type py, then I will get back Python. If I type say ht, then I will get back HTML. And if I type the entire name, then I will be redirected to that particular page. If I type something which is yet not created in my web app, then I will get a message saying that this particular that we could not find what you're searching for. In the same way, there is one more feature which is create a new page. In this create a new page, if I try to create a page which uh, whose title already exists in my web app, then it will give me a message saying there is already a page with the title name HTML, since I had given the title name HTML. So we have to create a web page who has a unique title name. So let's create a web page for JavaScript. And in this text area, you can enter the markdown content for this page. So I have already created some markdown content. The hash here means the h1 tag, and then I have also included the URLs to go to the HTML and the CSS page. If I save it, then I will be redirected to the newly created JavaScript page. And if I click on HTML, then I'll go to HTML, and then if I come back to home, I will find the newly created JavaScript page over here. Similarly, there is also a feature called random page, and if I click on it, I will be randomly taken to any of the web page. If I again click on it, then I will be taken to any other page, and so on. Besides this, there is another feature which is the edit feature. If I go to say R programming, and if I click on edit contents of this page, then I can type the markdown code here, and uh, when it will be saved, it will be converted to HTML, and that will be rendered to us. So if I click save, then here it is. So the R programming language page has been converted to HTML, and we can see that. So this is it, guys. Thank you, and I hope you all liked it.